Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will discuss about Chapter 2 Polynomials Exercise 2.1 Sums. Exercise 2.1. The graph of y equals to p of x are given in below for some polynomials p of x. Find the number of zeros of p of x in each case. Y equals to p of x, then find the zeros of the p of x. Here in this graph, x-axis, y-axis. Here in this x-axis, this line is parallel to x-axis, but here not intersect in this any point. So here see one point, the total number of zeros in any polynomial equation equals to the total number of times in curve or intersect in x-axis. Now here any point also not intersect this in this x-axis, so no zeros in this graph. The given graph, the number of zeros of p of x is no zeros because the graph is parallel to x-axis, does not cut it any point. Next in this graph, x-axis and y-axis, how many intersect points are in there in this zero graph? Only one intersect. So in this graph, the total number of zeros of p of x is only 1 because the graph intersect x-axis at only one point. Next, third one. In this graph, the number of zeros of the p of x is 3. Here and here and here. So how many points are there in zeros of x-axis? Only 3. So because this graph intersect in x-axis at 3 points. Next, fourth one. In this graph, how many zeros are there in p of x? 2 zeros. Here and here. So how many zeros of p of x? 2. Because the graph intersect x-axis 2 points. Next, fifth one. In this graph, number of zeros of p of x is 4. Here and here and here and here. So in this given graph, the number of zeros of p of x is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Because the graph intersect the x-axis at 4 points. Next, last one. In this graph, like this is there. Here 1 point and here 1 point and here 1 point. So in this given graph, the number of zeros of p of x is 3 because the graph intersect the x-axis 3 points. 1, 2, 3.